I'm Chaitrali Chitre, a management professional with a MS in International Business Management from Coventry University. I'm a master's in Indian classical dancing, yogasanas, and English literature, founder and chair of Sahyadri Friends Group. I have performed and showcased at various events in and around Coventry. I have always been working closely with many organizations in Coventry, giving employment opportunities, supporting local artists. Dance being my passion, I try to create a platform for budding artists via a voluntary group called Sahyadri Friends Group, where they get an opportunity to be confident and showcase their talent amongst the mass number of people. Our group is followed by 250 plus families. We as Sahyadri have always been working closely with City of Culture Trust and have been coming a long way participating in most of the City of Culture events. To name a few, we performed last year at the Diwali event, the Carnival of Lights parade. We also performed at the Methodist Church for the first meeting. We performed at the big lunch in Coventry Cathedral, which was spectacular. Like the name says, abundance itself. I would say that Sahyadri is rich in talent. We have trained classical dancers in Indian classical dance form. Like Kathak, Bharatnatyam, Kuchipudi, etc. And we have good knowledge of some of the folk dances representing urban lifestyle of Indian cultural heritage. We would like to perform art forms from India. It would be fusion of folk, classical and western mixed music, etc. This will enable us to spread the vibrant and colorful performance to celebrate the festivity and connect with different cultural backgrounds accordingly, show unity in diversity in Coventry.